In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then hit Accounts. When you're ready, use this gear next to Google located under Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. Then to edit any of those passwords, click on the chosen one. Enter your current login method and tap on Edit button next to the delete one. Finally, you can change wherever you want to, and when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!